Welcome, here I've got OnePlus 9 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to these settings. Now let's tap on them to open more advanced camera options, and here at the third position we have mirrored selfie photo option. So this is our mirror effect here. By using the button from the right we can turn it off and turn it on as we need. And of course remember that this only works for selfies, so we have to change back camera to the front one. We can do it by going back to the camera and tapping on this button from the left. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.